Are you finding it difficult to use your voice to narrate in your video? This video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest method that you can do to use your voice to narrate in your video. Are you into African folktale niche or motivational niche and you are looking for the way that you can use your voice as a voiceover in your video? This video is for you. And also, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the important tips that you need to know before you can use your voice to narrate in any video. Okay, notes very important, so stay to the end of this video so that you can see the important tips. It's very important, so stay tuned as we dive in. This is ucut over here. Okay, so that is the app we are going to use for the editing. So I'll click on the app. So it's offline. You can use it without data and you can use it when you have data. Okay, so in some of the features it needs data to operate. Okay, so you click on the plus icon here, then let's import new project. So I'll be going to photo because that is what I want to use. Let me use these African characters here. So if you click on it, it will mark, it will show this orange background, then you know that it mark. Okay, so I'll be selecting 10 images. So you click on the record right now. Okay, so when you click on here, you are going to start to record what you want to put in the video. Okay, you start recording everything, then after recording you click on it and click on the check mark. Okay, I will pause the video and record a voiceover. After recording I will get back. Okay, all right, so guys, I'm done recording with my voice. Then you click on this check mark here to add it to your timeline. Okay, so let me play what I just recorded.
Amanda was a small girl that has power on her own, so she healed many people. She has the power of the ancestors. So as time goes on, in their village there was a man that fell by no accident or nothing actually happened to him. He just fell down suddenly and died. But as Amanda heard of the bad news, she came with her powers to heal the man, but they refused her to stay.
Okay, do you see how it went? So right now, this is just a simple method of using your voice to narrate in a video. Okay, if you don't want to go to online to generate AI voiceover, you can use your voice through this method. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to place the voiceover to match the video clip. Okay, so let me play it, then when I'm playing it I will be checking if it match the video clips. Okay, so let me lower the volume. All right, so let me play it.
Amanda was a small girl that has power on her own. So she healed many people. She has the power of the ancestors. So as time goes on, in their village there was a man that fell by.
Okay, this part here I don't really need it, so if I want to delete it right now, this is how I will do it. Click on the clip, the one you don't want. If you tap on it, the corresponding tools will appear at this top. Then you can slide to see, oh sorry, you can slide to see what you can actually do to your clips. Okay, so what I want to do here is to delete. So I'll head over to delete and click on it. It will delete. So this is what I is left over now.
Accident or nothing actually happened to him. He just fell down suddenly and died.
Okay, do you see that the voice is not matching with the picture you are seeing here? Okay, so this is how I'll fix it. This one right here, I'm going to increase the duration. So tap on the clip, then come to this first corresponding to here, you will see duration. Okay, click on it. Then the picture duration here is 4.0 seconds. So I'm going to increase it to 10. If you want to do it, you do it slowly so that you will not miss track. Okay, 10 seconds. Okay, so let's see if it will work.
Accident or nothing actually happened to him. He just fell down suddenly and died. But as Amanda heard of the bad news, she came with her powers to heal the man.
Okay, you see it remains more. Okay, in case if you don't want to come to the duration part to increase the length of the picture, you can do it by moving. Okay, click on the clip. You can do it by moving this edge. Tap on this edge, then move it. Are you seeing that it is extending? It's extending. It is now in 12 seconds. It is extending. Okay, let's leave it at 13. You do it slowly so you don't miss it. Let me leave it at 12.8. Let's see if it will.
News. She came with her powers to heal the man.
Okay, so it has passed it more. I want the time that I said that she came with her powers. I want it to enter with this image. Okay, so let's reduce it. I think let me leave it at 12.4.
She came with her powers to
Yes.
heal the man, but they refused her to stay.
Okay, so this refusal to stay, I want it to enter here. So what I'll be doing, I'll delete this part. Just tap on it and delete so that the voiceover can reach to this image. Okay, let's see it.
But they refused her to stay.
Yes, yes.
They refused her to.
Okay, we are going to increase this part. I want that part that I said they refuse her to stay. That stay, I want you to land on this image. So when you are doing your own, you have to be creative. Just make your voiceover to match the display pictures, okay, or video. So let me increase it. I think let me increase it by 4.5. This is okay. Let's play it.
Refused her to stay.
Yes, perfect. This is what I want. So let's play it from the beginning so you see that everything matches. Okay, so this is the beginning.
Amanda was a small girl that has power on her own, so she healed many people.
Wait, there's some.
So she healed many.
Okay, I made mistake in the head. So what I'll do is that I will edit the voiceover instead. Okay, so this is the mistake I make.
Her own, so she healed.
Do you see I draw the head? So what I'll do now is that I will cut that mistake, that place that I make mistake, I will cut it out. So this is how you can do it. Play.
Power on her own.
Then this is the part I made the mistake. I will split the audio. So to split it, come to the corresponding tool. Make sure you are tapping on the voiceover, the one you want to edit. If you tap on it, the corresponding tool will be appear here. Then slide to this split. Okay, are you seeing it right here? So tap on it, it will split. So what we are going to do here is trimming. We will trim off the part that I make mistake.
So she
Okay, so this is it.
healed many people. Own. So she
Okay,
healed many people.
so I'll check the part that I actually
Healed.
made the mistake. I double talk.
She
Is that how they used to
healed.
say it? Double talk.
She healed many.
Okay, that hit. Then I'll split it too. Then I'll trim off here. Do you see what I just did?
So she healed many people.
Then this is what I'll do next. I'll tap and hold this voiceover right here. Then I'll drag it to touch the first voiceover. If you touch it, it will vibrate, so you will know. Do you see that it have touched it? Then let's play it and see how it is.
Own. So she hid many people.
Yes. Do you see that the mistake is now? So I'll play this for the last time, then we call it a day. Okay.
Amanda was a small girl that has power on her own, so she hid many people. She has the power of the ancestors. So as time goes on, in their village there was a man that fell by no accident or nothing actually happened to him. He just fell down suddenly and died. But as Amanda heard of the bad news, she came with her powers to heal the man, but they refused her to stay.
Alright, I said in the end of this video, I'll show you the important tips you need to know before you can use your voice to narrate in any video. Okay, so the first one is whenever you want to use your voice to narrate, make sure the background you are staying to record is noise free. Make sure there's no noise in the background so it will not interrupt in your video or distract your audience. Okay, this is very important so that your audience can hear you clearly and know what you are trying to say. Okay, so this is very important. And the second one is while editing it in the software or any app you are using, make sure that the voice matches with the actions that is being displayed on the screen. Okay, as I showed you in this video. So make sure it rhyme so that your viewers can know what you are trying to say, and it will help your viewers to keep watching. Okay, if you got value from this video, don't forget to smash the like button, follow this channel for more, and don't forget to turn on your notification so you can be notified when I upload a important video like this. Okay, so see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.